Roofing.
I'm Ryan with FCR Home Improvement. Replaced this furnace, coil, and AC unit for this family here. We take care of all the needs, heating and cooling wise, for everybody, so when they get hot or cold, we make sure that we get that taken care of for them. If you're looking for any heating and cooling needs, head on over to FCR Roofing and Construction. We'll get you taken care of.